Take a ride in the 2025 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.